This is almost hard to believe. A group of workers used discarded material to create budget-friendly plastic chairs. Let's take a look at how they pulled it off. First, one of the workers fires up a blowtorch and heats up old woven bags in a metal pot until the plastic starts to soften quickly. This method of processing, while cheap, produces a lot of strong fumes. Some say it could be hazardous if done often without protection. Once melted, the plastic is poured out of the pot. Then a gas cylinder is used to press the melted plastic into a thick block. After it cools and hardens, the block is broken down using a hammer. The chunks are then thrown into a shredder, where they're ground into plastic flakes. These flakes are poured into an extruder, which reshapes them into long plastic strands. The strands are cooled, then chopped again into smaller pellets. Next, those pellets are poured into an injection molding machine. This is where the chair starts to take shape. Once molded, the worker trims off any rough edges. Then the chair legs are attached. Now the chair is fully assembled, cheap, sturdy, and ready to use. And the final cost? Just 20 rupees.